Hi Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get into the reading, for more Twin Flame readings and guidance, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you don't miss out any of my future updates. On this reading here, Cancer, we'll be looking out on your person energy as well as on your energy for throughout the month of January 2021. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Cancer, so let's look at into the energy between you and your person throughout the mid of January 2021 here. I'm going to check on your energy here, Cancer. Please note that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Cancer, please consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month, every month, Cancer. So now let's look at into the energy between both of you here, Cancer. I've got intuition and manifestation as the overall energy between both of you here. So I feel like both of you here is having, or both of you are getting a lot of messages, sign and synchronicities. This could be in a form of numbers 1111, or you could just be driving and then see a message that is reminding you of your person, and vice versa. That could be driving and see a message that could be containing your initial here, as well as some of you here have been getting a lot of messages in a form of dream, I would say here. See, so you can, like having some sort of dream and then it's containing message. So I would definitely suggest for some of you here, Cancer, to have a dream journal just right beside your bed. So whenever you wake up with a certain dream that contains message, you can actually write it down and then you can meditate upon it later on throughout the day as well. Now looking at the energy coming up from you here, Cancer, I've got the Nine of Cups, the Knight of Wands, and I've also got the Devil energy coming up here. And the overall energy that I've got for you is the Three of Cups coming up here, Cancer. Now on this side is your energy, Cancer, and on this side is your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles might be interchangeable or vice versa. The sign that I'm getting for you here, Cancer, I'm getting a very strong Capricorn energy. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, and I'm also getting a very strong Leo energy here. So it could also be fire sign, Aries, Leo or Sagittarius. Now looking at the energy here with this Three of Cups, I keep getting a very strong third party situation coming up for you here, Cancer. So I feel like some of you here, while you're actually waiting for your person to come in, you could also actually have met a new person along the way that you're just feeling that attraction towards as well, or this is also could be coming up in the future for you. And I do feel like a little bit of confusion or hesitation, I would say here, that I do feel like you have someone else in your mind at this point of time that is just making you unable to choose, or just feeling confused. Who are you supposed to choose as well here, Cancer? Now, another thing that I'm getting here is that some of you are feeling stuck or feeling trapped in a third party situation or in a karmic situation here. So some of you could be married or in a relationship with someone who is a little bit of abusive. So I'm also getting a little bit of abusive situation, or just like a little bit of toxic and manipulated. Like the situation that I'm getting for you here, Cancer, is that a lot of toxicity, manipulation and deception energy coming up here as well with this Devil energy. So this is something a little bit of concerning as well here. I know that this is your energy that I'm talking about, but I do feel like there is someone that is currently in your life. Again, this could be a person that you are with at this point of time, or also your third party situation, or just generally could be someone that is currently around your life, such as your family or friends, or like basically like people surrounding you here, because I'm definitely getting a very strong ego energy, selfish, egoistic, as well as a lot of mental deception and mental manipulation coming up here. Again, this could be something from the past, because I'm also getting that you want to come out of this situation, like you're desperately wanting to come out of this situation so you can have your wish fulfillment, or your dream coming true here as well. So I would definitely say here that there are a lot of toxicity and you're also feeling trapped mentally and emotionally speaking here. And I feel like the year of 2021 here, Cancer, is what you need to do moving forward here is that to pay attention to your intuition, listening to your intuition, because I do feel like your intuition has been telling you here to let go of all this toxic energy, to let go of all these manipulation and toxicity within your life at this point of time here, Cancer. Now looking at your person energy, I'm getting the Crone or the Strength card coming up here. I've also got the Seven of Swords and the Harvest energy. So the very main thing that I'm getting from your person here is that the harvest season is coming up for them. And what kind of harvest season is coming up here? They're finally going to come towards their awakening and towards their realization, I would say here, realization to this journey and realization to not only this connection here but overall the spiritual journey within themselves here, Cancer. And with this Crone energy, I'm getting a very strong old lady kind of energy. So I do feel like your person might have lost someone either recently or in the past, a mother figure for them. So it could be a mother, an aunt, a grandmother kind of energy, because this energy that I'm picking up from your person here is at a very strong spirit card energy coming up here. So even though this may seem bizarre or may seem weird here, I feel like your person have this tendency to run away from their emotion, trying to like just finding a shortcut on how to not feel all this emotional burden and this mental burden. So they just like to run away from a certain things here. And with this spirit card energies, what I'm getting from them here is that they're going to get the help from the divine realm, which is a very strong spirit card energy. Someone from their family that had passed away either recently or in the past is actually going to guide them towards the light. Their spirit card is going to guide them towards the awakening of this connection as well as of their own spiritual journey here, Cancer. And this is the time that they're finally going to leave all this toxic energy and all this negative energy within themselves and finally going to be trusting and going to be listening to their own intuition. That is what I'm getting very strongly here. Now I've also got the Page of Wands energy. Again, they might not know about the label of this connection, or they might not know about the law of attraction or manifestation kind of thing, but you will not be surprised that you may find them trying to learn about all this energy here, especially when it comes into manifestation and law of attraction. I do feel like they're slowly being introduced to all this new teaching, I would say here, or to all this new awakening of their own journey here. And this is why I've got the milestone energy coming up here. So this is like the first milestone that you're going to reach, both you and your person going to reach here in the year of 2021. I do feel like coming up from you here, Cancer, you're finally going to put a stop. You're finally going to walk away or just cut people from your life who has this toxic energy, manipulation and deception here, while your person is finally going to listen to their intuition and listening to the spirit cards and listening to, like all this guidance that are coming from the divine realm here. So that's it for your reading here, Cancer. I hope the reading resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up, as well as let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.